Welcome to, this is the Xiaomi Mi Multipurpose Blender. This would be a deep dive into the blender. Let's see what we're in for here, alright? We got this child safe plastic thing up the top here to keep the kids out. That's broken, we're in. We've got instructions. Looks like some of it's in English, but don't worry, if you're Chinese, we got you covered on the back here. In the box here, you've got, what's that? One of these is the bottom, this is probably the top. Let's have a look at the top first. Let's get this out. Tricky one. No, getting the bottom out first, alright? Move that over there. Over here. And opening it up, this is very nice packaging. One of Xiaomi's finest. Actually, I've come to expect this quality of packaging lately with all products, but only Xiaomi seems to deliver, so that's 1 point there. I might take 1 point off. This was meant to be an Australian plug, but I don't know what that is, so maybe they put something else in the box. Move that over there. We've got very minimalist design. Xiaomi logo on the front, glossy white, plastic, but it's quality plastic. Don't get worried when I say plastic here. You've got instructions on the bottom as well, in case you forget it's a blender. It says multi-purpose blender. Let's talk specs here. We're talking 350 watt, and that's pretty much the specs. Top bit here, that's pretty good. That's where it connects. Let's get the top out. Oh wait, hang on. This bit, that looks like a lid actually, so that'll be after the top. Let's get the top out here. Looks like that's pretty much all that's in the box. There is a, Xiaomi certified, so don't forget to check for that. You don't want to buy knockoff. Put that there. I'll put this here just in case you want to look at that later. And opening up the cup, it seems to be some sort of container, same quality packaging. And this is the 6-blade rotor. Wow, that would shred some stuff up right there. I was a bit skeptical at first when they said multi-purpose, but when I see this, that really could be used for multiple purposes there, not just for, like, when I say multi-purpose, we're talking vegetables, we're talking kiwi fruit, mangoes, bananas, the works. Some blenders just don't cut it in that regard, so you want to get the 6-blade thingo. Just remember that Xiaomi delivers when it comes to that. Opening it up, pretty basic. Put that on there. I assume it just sits there like that. Plug it in and let it rip. So give the instructions out just in case though, because sometimes these things aren't as straightforward as they would seem. And on here it says you just push it down. But let's plug it in and I'll be back. I just got to find a plug for this because. Alright, so I managed to salvage this connector from my Xiaomi bin, which also didn't come with a connector. So let's see if this will work. Before I actually turn this on, let's just give this a clean. I do plan on making a smoothie later and I do plan on drinking it. And today is not the day I get gonorrhea, so let's just rinse this out. Alright, time for the real deep dive. This is where the smoothie, the blender, will either prove itself or not prove itself. Now, being Xiaomi, it's a no-brainer, it's gonna perform, but, you know, let's just prove that here, okay? And starting off, we've got, how would you make a smoothie? Let's just start with the basics here. What is it? Okay, so this is for if you want to make your smoothie and drink it on the go. That's obvious. So we got that out of the way, but we won't use that yet. we're gonna make our smoothie. So let's go, and I've actually got some fresh produce down here, and I'll just get that out off the floor. Now we don't actually have as much pineapple as I intended here, but I think that should cover us. Some of it fell out earlier, so we'll work with what we got. And hang on, I need to get something else. I forgot the milk. Alright, it's got some special smoothie milk here. This stuff is delicious. Put that there. Where were we? Yeah, that's right. We're going to decide what we're going to start with on our smoothie. Now, smoothies are very much like life. You get in what you put out. So let's put in some of this. This looks like kiwi fruit and some green stuff. Maybe a bit of mango there. Let's fill that up. We'll go about a quarter maybe. A quarter of that. And put some berries in on top of that. Yep. Berries are pretty good in smoothies, so they do get a bit messy actually. I didn't actually intend or plan for that, so yep, I'm just going to use this hand from now on. Now, maybe you're feeling a bit risque, so we got some passion fruit here. Put half of that in, not the whole lot, too much. Now, pineapple, don't forget that, and I did actually prepare a secret ingredient. You can never forget a smoothie without a banana. I may have sat on this earlier, so it is pre-smushed, but that only helps the smoothie really, because in the end, it all ends up the same spot. So let's put banana in. That's good. And thinking about, I probably should have put the banana in first, but you know, that's life. You don't know what comes first. So banana at the end, either way, it's in there. Putting that in there for now. And I don't know, let's have a look at that. That's come on pretty well, but if we try to blend that, it's not going anywhere. We need to put some real substance in this, and we've got milk, or cashew milk, which I find hits the spot. Put a bit of that in. Let's fill it up to there. Just because I'm not sure if, you know, we're working with frozen fruit here. Sometimes, from my past experience blending, the fruit gets stuck if it's too cold. So I've got some hot water here prepared in my Xiaomi kettle. And we're just going to pour a little bit of that in. I actually just find the hot water complements the cold products and fresh produce in there anyway, so that'll be nice. Now, getting the 6-blade thingo, put that on like this. This is so practical as well. You can just make this on the go. Tighten that up a bit, just like that. Now we want to get all the stuff down the bottom like that. Look at that, it's pretty much half done. Now, plugging it in, this is the moment of truth, will it work? Oh man, this is a short cable, just keep that in mind. So, maybe you want to make this really close to the power outlet, unlike me. So let's drag this over here. There we go, that's got that. That should be on. I don't know, let's see. Whoa, there we go, yeah, that's on. Look at that, I've barely even started and that's already half done. So let's just give this a real whirl. I'm gonna try and keep talking so you get an idea how loud this unit is. Some blenders are just super loud. So let's just start with my last story here. Chapter 1, the white light. So that's pretty good. It's not too loud, would it be? It's half done. I'm getting a bit of an electrical smell, but that's probably normal. Yeah, you want that. Just shake it up a bit more, get that smoothie moved up. Those Cokes and greens running up in there. Oh, that's the good stuff. And that's done. What was that, like 12 seconds? If that. Getting it undone, that's going to be a task with one hand. But it's doable. Get away with that. Yeah. Now this might be personal preference, but I like to lick the blade. It's not sharp, so this is probably safe. But maybe if you're less than 6 years old, probably don't do this. You might poke your eye out. Actually, don't do this at home. Just leave it to the pros. I'm Xiaomi certified, so yeah, that's what comes with it. It's a unique skill. Testing the smoothie. Now I'll judge the consistency of this. This will be a 9 to 10 scale of too smooth or too chunky. So let's just test that. Yeah, that's right in the middle, 9.5. You can't get any better than that. Now I think I've really nailed the temperature as well. That little bit of hot water just freshen the mood up. I can drink this without getting brain freeze. Now you can put whatever you want in your smoothie. Normally I put a bit of mint in there just to give it a fresh taste, but it's pretty fresh as it is, so take it as you want. The banana, that just really did it. It made the smoothie. Shout out to bananas out there. Just don't stop doing what you're doing there. Shout out to Xiaomi. They really get you through some hard times in life. Like, whenever you're just feeling down, just get the Xiaomi out. If you don't have one, that's even better because you can order it from China. It'll take like 10 years to get here. And that whole time, you're just like looking forward, it's something to look forward to in life. So don't stop believing. And just putting this one out there too. Multi-purpose, multifunctional, I don't know what they said, something blender. We just made a smoothie. What else can we do with this thing? I reckon you could use this to make friends. So if anyone in the comments wants to put a comment out there, tell me what type of smoothie you like and want in life, and I will personally come and deliver it to you. I'll make it in this blender, okay? So just as long as it fits in there, I guess. You can't make a Lamborghini smoothie in this, unless you want a tiny Lamborghini, but you know, the technology, it could change. We'll see. Where will we be in 5 years from now? But for now, as the time of filming this video, review, whatever you want, let's just leave Lamborghinis off the table here. Let's stick with fruit and edible food. I mean, that's debatable as well, up to you. But if you eat it, I guess I'll make it for you. And I don't want to complicate it too much, so just put in the comments. I'll personally come to you anywhere in the world, you name it, and Dunzo, we'll make this smoothie, you'll drink it, and we'll all be happy. And we'll make a new friend. How's that sound? This is delicious. Really delicious. I will make another one. I could make 6 more. I got so much stuff to make smoothies with. Look at this. That's not even half of it. Surprisingly filling though. Like, that actually hits the spot. I could probably eat one of these and that would last me all day. Probably till tea time. But you don't feel bloated either. That's one problem. I just don't really like eating too much food because I don't mind eating lots of food actually at tea time, but throughout the day you eat like a giant, let's say you eat a whole pizza from Domino's Pizza. You'll feel that in the afternoon. You'll want to just fall asleep. That's from my personal experience. You might be different. So I might try and start doing that a bit more. Lately I've just been eating chocolate cake, mud cake, in the morning for breakfast, and That'll get me through the day. It's pretty good, but it's probably not super healthy, so this is probably a healthier alternative. It's all about balance though. So we've got a balanced range of just fresh fruit, bananas, whatever this is. I think it's mango. Could be something else, we'll see. And green stuff. Don't forget green stuff. Green stuff might taste like doo-doo, but it makes you stronger. Very important life lesson. Still going. I'll take my time. Well, I feel really good after drinking that. Probably just sounds disgusting listening to me drink this, so just mute the audio, but keep watching if you want. Oh yeah. Alright, let's wrap that up. Xiaomi Blender, multifunctional, proven. It'll get you through life. Guaranteed. Oh.